You've made a budget before. Maybe several. They start perfect and they always seem to collapse by week 3. And every time, you conclude the same thing: you just aren't disciplined enough. That conclusion is almost always wrong, and it's why the next budget fails too. Most budgets aren't abandoned because people are lazy. They're abandoned because they're built like a test you can only fail. Dozens of categories to track. Limits set by an optimistic version of you. Nowhere to put a surprise expense. It's not a plan. It's a test designed to fail you. Here's what actually separates budgets that survive from budgets that shatter. How they handle being wrong. A budget with 20 precise categories has 20 chances to break every month. A few board buckets absorb the same surprise without collapsing. It's not more disciplined, it's built to bend instead of snap. Send the same unexpected expense into both, a car repair. The complex budget seizes and stops entirely. The simple one wobbles, absorbs it, and keeps turning. Here's the uncomfortable part. A precise budget you quit in 3 weeks does nothing. A rough, imperfect budget you keep for 3 years changes your life. The most effective budget isn't the most accurate one. It's the one still running a year from now. So when you build your next one, and you should, design it around one rule: build it for your worst month, not your best. The month the car breaks and you order takeaway 3 nights running. If it still stands up then, it'll still be standing a year from now. If every budget you've built has died by week 3, subscribe. Every week I break down one money habit that's quietly making people rich or broke.